Alright, this is Willow's lesson. In Willow we talked about a couple things. We talked about getting a good concept of rhythm, and one thing I noticed that you already could do, but you the only thing is you stop in between chords, you stop strumming. The goal is to keep the down-up strum going through the chord. So what we're going to do, I think what we did is I'm going to have you strum down up. I'm going to do the D chord and kind of kill two birds with one stone here. Even though that Bob Dylan song that we're working on, Blowing in the Wind, is in C. Alright, and I'm going to do a down-up strum. And the sheet that I wrote you, the rhythm chart, that you'll see those if you go into the, like any of the standard books, like the Blue Book or something, and it'll have 4 beats, let's say for a 4/4 time, 4 beats per measure. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then on that chord chart that I gave you, it starts on a C. Let's go there. It starts on that C, and each one of those slashes is a count. 1, 2, 3, 4. And when we do a down-up strum, it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Alright? So if I played that chart, it would go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 'cause I'm starting to think maybe I should be doing it a little more slowly. But anyway, you're getting the idea, so I'll do a little bit more slowly. 1 and 2, 3, alright. 2, 3, 4. So every one of those slashes would include a down and an up strum. Now, the other thing we talked about, and I've got to get going because I got to get to a concert and I'm kind of late. So, other thing we talked about is we put a D chord on, and we talked about the Travis pick, which has the thumb going like this. If we have a D chord on our left hand, and those beats, if we counted them, would kind of be like the down strums or the slashes on the rhythm chart. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And our index finger, which is going to be on the second string, and our middle finger, which is going to be on the first string. You can't hardly see it, but they're going to look like that. And we're going to pick down with a thumb, and then the and of the measure is going to be up on the second string, and then down on the third string, and then up with the middle finger on the first string. So I'll do it slowly. And we count that like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So that would be one measure. Alright, and that's the Travis pick. We can do that over any chord and still pick the, for right now we'll still pick the 4th through the first strings, and with the G chord it sounds like that. And So, oh, my computer's getting worn out. So I think that's pretty much all we talked about. Besides that, I was kind of happy to see how progressed you already were on the guitar. So we'll work on more of that stuff, practice that stuff till next week. All right? Thank you. I'll let you know how to get a hold of this. I'll send you a link.